Painting the exterior of a building or home is one of the most cost-effective ways to update the look. With a Graco sprayer, you can change the look of the exterior in a fraction of the time it would take you to paint it by hand with a roller or brush. To start, you should get ready by having all the supplies you'll need. For a sample list of what you need, go to the project pages on magnum.graco.com or look at the painting project suggested supply list included on the DVD provided with your sprayer. Before you begin painting, you will need to do all the prep work to ensure a good quality result. Clear, cover, and remove anything you do not want painted. Repair any damage to walls. Scrape any loose peeling or flaking paint, fill holes, and sand any rough edges. Clean the surface prior to painting using a pressure washer. With the surface to be painted prepped, any surfaces you don't want painted should be covered with a tarp or plastic sheeting, or blocked while painting using a spray shield. If you are in an area you do not want to spray, use a Graco pressure roller attachment for great results and time savings. It is best to avoid painting on a windy day when it is difficult to control the overspray. Make sure to follow all safety procedures when using your paint sprayer. Review the operating manual and safety instructions prior to use. If you do not have a lot of spray experience, it is best to start on a large flat area like the side of a house or other areas not easily seen. Typically when painting, it is best to start at the top and work your way down. Begin by spraying any eaves or the underside of any overhangs. The direction you will spray depends on the construction. As a general rule, you want to spray any exposed trusses, wood beams, or boards by aiming the spray fan pattern to follow the object lengthwise. Work only within an area you can reach comfortably, and consider a tip extension to help reach those high areas. Try to keep the spray tip square to the surface being painted and approximately 12 inches from the surface. After you have completed the eaves area, spray the exterior walls. Cut in around windows and doors first, then spray the remaining flat areas. Work in sections only as far as you can comfortably reach. First spray the outer edges, banding the area that you will spray and cutting in any corners. For inside corners, aim the spray tip directly into the corner horizontally so it overlaps both sides. Next, point the spray tip at the edge of the previous painted area to overlap approximately 50%. Overlapping strokes provide nice, uniform paint coverage. Watch the How to Spray section for more spraying pointers. If you have to spray on a breezy day, to avoid travel of overspray, the narrow portion of the spray pattern should be in the same direction as the breeze. You may need to spray using a horizontal or vertical stroke depending on the ultimate spray pattern orientation. When you're finished spraying, the only thing left is to wait for the paint to dry. Remove the tape and paper or film covering the surfaces you do not want painted and clean up.